it's just a matter of time for the US. But if you look at the entire macro landscape, you have increasing lar increasingly large debt servicing payments, interest payments of like $1 trillion a year. Deficits, you have large problems around the world in terms of population decline, which feeds into this sort of decline in the real estate market. And a lot of stock markets are also failing. A lot of fiat currencies are failing too. The US dollar is very strong because it's the strongest of the weakest,
The
the
cleanest
strongest
of
of
the
the
dirty
fiat
shirts.
currencies. Yeah, exactly. So you can kind of see all of these problems, and you add to that what you just said, which is companies starting to compete for Bitcoin holdings. You've seen a number of MicroStrategy emulators as of late,
Yeah.
Metaplanet, Semler Scientific, and probably more. I mean, Berkshire Hathaway is sitting on, a lot of money, billions and billions of dollars.
Microsoft's not voting on it.
Microsoft is voting on it. Apple is also sitting on this massive stockpile. So the Omega candle will simply just appear because it'll happen all at once. Like we're talking about earlier, many people will not understand Bitcoin, but they will try to copy their neighbor because they don't want to be left out. Or you can call it FOMO if you want. But this imagine Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Microsoft all buying at the same time. Well, MicroStrategy is trying to spend $42 billion on Bitcoin, while the US is trying to accumulate a million Bitcoin over a 4-year period, while public mining companies stop selling Bitcoin they mine because they can also run a MicroStrategy playbook and borrow,
While hodlers don't
while
sell.
while hodlers don't sell,